mist rain type stuff.
Okay. Well, it all looks pretty to me, as long as it's getting done. Oh, it looks so good, though.
You gotta wait till your grass back there. I don't even understand how y'all can see a house without having everything in it first.
Oh, I could see, because I designed everything in there. Uh-huh. It's pretty. I don't want to mess nothing up. I could cross, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you guys already have lunch?
No, we normally take lunch after. Put your fence up?
Huh?
You gonna put your fence up?
I'm not 100% sure. It ain't gonna go up the first year, I know that. But I will do some sort of fencing in the future, but it's not gonna go up the first year. But I have someone coming in to do landscaping first. And then I wanna close this off and build something. That's why I don't want to close it, because they're gonna have to get back here to do all that first. Right. And I'm not really concerned with the backyard just yet, because the inside of the house isn't really done. So I want to focus on adding a few upgrades inside the house first. So I'm upstairs now, and you guys, all the irrigation is gonna go in. It looks so good. I know a few of you guys asked what I was going to be working on first, and the first thing that I'm going to try to work on is getting the carpets up in the loft, the master, and also the other bedroom that's going to be turned into a closet. So we'll just call that room my closet. So my closet, the loft space, and the master, which conveniently they're right next to each other, so it's not going to look off pretty much. And also the small landing when you come up the stairs. And then I thought about it last night, and I'm like, I also want to do the kids' closets. So today, which is number 2, is probably what I'm going to do. Well, that's number 3. Number 2 is going to be doing the backsplash in the bathrooms. So what I'm going to do today is measure the boys' closet. And the reason why I'm going to measure their closet is because the reason why I'm going to go ahead and measure their closet is because before I leave Atlanta, I want to go to IKEA and get the exact measurements. And the same guy who put together the piece for the closet, the pantry in the previous house, I'm gonna have him put together the IKEA unit. You guys, I so messed up. I forgot to bring the heart measuring tape. And I know that video probably didn't make sense for some of y'all. But I'm telling you, when you're measuring and you by yourself, and you gotta sit here and use your feet, use your arm and leg just to get a measurement, because the measuring tape is bending, that heart measuring tape would have been everything. I just ate because I had a headache. I gotta do my hair too. I've been walking around here with a ponytail. That ain't cute. But I'm gonna go in here and get my nails done. I'm gonna break today's video up into 3 parts because I have to also go to Best Buy and shop for a new SD card. And I'm looking for another lens also. I feel like in terms of my camera equipment, it does end up being like a return investment because now I'm using it for social and off of social, which is like amazing. And I've been taking some amazing shots, you guys. I worked on an apartment, right? The video isn't going to be out until the 1st of January because I wanted to be like up until like the 31st. I want to do like the home tips, I want to do the design tips, I want to do like those videos, which is like 5, so it's going to be straight 5 in a row. And then January 1st I want to drop that reveal of that space. Oh my gosh, like I already have it planned out. And I think this is the biggest thing that I've worked on this year is like planning out my content. Does it always go as planned? No, because recently I had to do like 3 or 4 sponsored videos back to back, and that wasn't my plan. Those videos have been completed since November. It just sometimes takes forever for the company to get back to you on it because they're dealing with different accounts, which I get it, but just messes me up, and it wasn't supposed to be like that. But anyway, hopefully you guys understood that. I normally don't like to have so many sponsored videos back to back, but I really didn't have much of an option because I had signed the contract long ago, and then I had already created the content. So I'm about to go down to get my nails done. Let me give you guys a quick pan of the before. It's really not that bad, y'all. It's bad, but it ain't that bad. You know what I'm saying? It ain't that bad. Oh, the light is so bright. Hold on. It's not that bad. Clearly you can tell that I need a fill-in, but it isn't horrible. You know what I'm saying? Let me do that so you can see the cuticles. Alright, you guys, I am in the consignment in Savannah. It's called Home Again. I actually ended up finding 3 things that I saw that I actually really liked, and this one here is the bar height bar stools. Although I did find them, I really can't use them, not for me or a client, because my clients have counter height islands. But this is really cute, and it's from the company Sunpan. I love it. Look at the back. It is gorgeous. And this is leather. It's not faux leather. It's 100% leather. They are gorgeous. That's the really great thing about coming into consignment. You find some really great gems. Like, I haven't seen anything like this in anyone's home, at least not on social media. Maybe I just haven't come across their page or whatever, but this is a really great chair. All it needs is a little bit of love and cleaning and all that stuff, but it's a beautiful piece of furniture. If it was bar height, I had someone that could definitely use them. I think it would look great in their home, but can't